ka-reels and ka TikTok. Luto ko ng adobo. Medyo pinirito ko muna yung manok ng konti. Tsaka ko siya i-adobo. Yan. Then lang natin kumulo. Wrap sa yan.
For a while, because I wanted to make sure it worked first. But when I went from 184 to 123, in a matter of weeks, I knew this was a total game changer. Even my husband lost 3 belt sizes from doing this. Actually, he lost weight.
Yan, so nag-reduce na yung sabaw at malambot na yung manok. Solid na yan. Uy. Lumabok. Solid. Ito ang malupit. Yan. Yung lutuan. Lalamasan mo ngayon ng kanin. Solid yan. Solid.